Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson you are going to do the prototyping for the Adidas and Puma screens. So now we have this animation, the scrolling effect. We want when we click on the Adidas to go to the Adidas, and when we click on the Puma to go to the Puma. So what I'm going to do, we want this to be animated. So when we click on the Adidas show will come into the screen. I'm going to rename this Adidas show group. I'll rename it to group 55 Adidas, and then you're going to copy this group and paste it on all of these Nike home screens. I will make it smaller, move it to the side, and bring down the opacity. So you want the shows to come from the right side and to scale up. We will do it for all of them because these are all related to the Nike home screen. For this one as well. Okay, perfect. Now we are going to go to the prototype and we are going to animate. When we click on the Adidas name, it will go to the Adidas. Go to the prototype, click on the Adidas name and connect it to the Adidas screen. And then we are going to use the tap trigger, auto animate, and keep the other settings as it is. For this one as well, we are going to connect it. We will use the same settings. And for the third home screen for the Nike, we're going to use the same thing. Now I will select on this artboard and we are going to play to see how it works. Now we have the scrolling effect working fine. If you click on the Adidas name, it will go to the Adidas screen. I want to animate or to prototype the Nike as well. And the Adidas home screen, I'm going to connect Nike to the first Nike home screen. And now if you play it, just like this, if you go to the Adidas, it will go like this, and when you click on the Nike, it will go to the Nike. So now we have the prototyping done between Adidas and Nike. Okay, perfect. Now we have done this. We are going to do the same thing for the Puma, but there are some extra stuff that we need to do for Puma. Now let's go ahead and click on the Puma artboard. We are going to first thing to rename the group. So click on this one, this is grouped, copy and paste it over here. But before we do that, actually, I'm going to undo this and we are going to rename this. Yeah, I just undo it. Now click on it, we need to rename it. I'm going to rename it to group 55 Puma. So you have a unique name for it. Now you can copy it, paste it over here. Just like we did it for the Adidas, you'll make it smaller, move it to the side, to the right side, and bring down the opacity. We will do for all of the screens. We will do it for the Nike, and also you will do it for the Adidas as well, because we are going to go between Adidas and Puma and Nike. So it will be going between 3 screens, not only between Nike and Puma. First, we are going to do it for the Nike, and we are going to do the prototyping. Let's go to the prototype. And now when you click on the Puma, it will take you to the Puma screen and use these settings. You are going to do the same thing for this one. Click on the Puma, connect it to the Puma screen, use tap trigger and auto animate. For this one as well, click on the Puma and connect it to the Puma screen. In the Puma, I'm going to connect Nike to Nike and Adidas to the Adidas screen. So when we are in the Puma screen, we want to be able to go back to the Adidas and Nike. The same thing for all of them, like all 3 screens, Nike, Adidas and Puma, we should be able to go between them. So right now, from the Nike, we can go to the Adidas. We can do this animation. We can go to the Adidas. But now we are on the Adidas because I didn't prototype from Adidas to the Puma. That's why you cannot go to the Puma. Now I'm going to connect Puma to the Puma screen. Now let's play it. We have the scrolling effect. We have Adidas. We have Puma. We can go back to the Adidas to the Nike. But as you can see, the animation between the Adidas and Puma, I didn't like it much. It just like it has this fading effect. I'm going to give it that scaling effect. So for that, we are going to copy this group and paste it in the Adidas home screen. Make it smaller and move it to the right side so we have the same effect. bring down the opacity. Now let's play and see what we have. Okay, let's go to the Adidas and Puma. So when you go from Adidas to Puma, we have the nice animation, but from Puma to Adidas, it doesn't have a good animation. So now what you are going to do is to copy the group of the shoes in the Adidas screen and paste it on the Puma one. Like this, you are going to fix this issue. So I'm going to click on this group, copy it, it's Adidas group, copy and paste it inside the Puma screen, make it smaller. Oh, it's behind it. Sometimes this will happen to you. I'm just going to undo this. And I'm going to bring it back again. Paste it here. I will make it 3D. Make sure you select it from here. And make it 3D. And move it up like this to be above everything. And now you can scale it down and move it to the right side. And then bring down the opacity. And now if you go ahead and play, we have the scrolling effect. We can go to the Adidas. We can go to the Puma. From Puma to Adidas. We can go between them. And we can go to the Nike as well. And from Nike to all of them. So perfect. Now we have animated all of this. In the next lesson, we are going to animate the single product preview screen. I'll see you there. Bye bye.